is. That little dude cracks me up. Man, you guys gotta get you an Ethan. Yeah, fire sounds good.
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
Beautiful.
Yeah, let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to another Fat Man Adventures video, and today we are at LBJ National Grasslands and we are camping in the back of our truck. We have not done that in about a year.
Yeah, it's been a bit of a year.
Yeah, we're really excited.
We are. You haven't done that in a year, and the last time we did it was in January of last year, I believe.
Yep.
Maybe February. Anyway, doesn't really matter. It's going to be 27 or 28 degrees tonight, so we brought some warm gear.
Yep.
But what do you say let's get camp set up in the back of the truck?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Do you know Papa G gave us these chairs?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice of him.
Yep.
Thank you, Papa G.
Yeah, thanks.
It's very dusty and something blew in with the cold air, so Ethan and I both have sniffles.
Yeah.
All right, so now it's time to get our bed set up in the back of the truck so we don't have to do that in the dark. So we need to unroll the two green foam mats first. Right there, perfect. Now put the sleeping bags on this side so you can get this other one. Shoestring. And then you'll need that green bag to, like, once you lay this down, put the green bag on top of it so it gets flat. These things are so tough, flat, and cold.
Yeah.
Okay, then put a sleeping bag on the front, or the top, I mean. Okay. Now, we brought something special to help us sleep better tonight. Instead of the Climate Static V blow-up mattresses, we actually brought a memory foam mattress. It's gonna keep us warmer, and excuse me, and keep us more comfortable. So I'm gonna go grab that. Look at this baby.
Yeah.
Now let's see if I remember how I tied it.
This is what I used to sleep on in the camper. That's what I put under my soft mattress.
That's right. You double it up and put your mattress on top, and it's nice and soft.
Yeah. Yoo-hoo!
Alright. Let's see. Let me get you to get on that end to help me unroll that side.
Oh, it's frozen.
Yeah, it's gonna take a while for it to loft up. That's why one of the other reasons why I wanted to do. I can't talk. So one of the other reasons I wanted to do that first.
Bombs already.
Beautiful. Now we don't want to get it dirty, right?
Yep.
Okay. Can you pull that corner up to where it's sort of more straight?
Frozen like that.
And I've got 2 cheap Coleman sleeping bags that I can double up if I need to. And Ethan has his handy dandy
Military sleeping bag.
military extreme cold.
Yeah.
And he actually has a secondary one to put inside of it too, just in case it gets too cold. Because this trip we didn't bring a heater. There's not enough room in here for 2 people plus a heater.
I don't think we'll need my second sleeping bag. If we do, we'll probably just use it as a blanket.
Yeah. You're gonna be comfortable.
Yep.
That's for sure. Here's his little one that goes on the inside if he needs it.
Yep.
And this one's always a pain to get in and out.
So much just as thick as this thing, the white thing.
Yep.
Rolled up.
I'll let you do the honors.
Okay. That's if I remember how to untie.
Just go like this.
Oh.
Nope, not the loops. There you go. And this is the foot.
Yeah, like it.
And we want to put the zipper on top.
Yeah. Just flip it over though. Yeah.
There you go, if you want to scooch that up. This thing is so warm. We got this one on Amazon for 75 bucks. Ridiculously good deal. And it's in great shape. And I've seen them, like right after that, a week later, they were 275 bucks for these things used. It's crazy. So sometimes you can find a good deal on them. Sometimes you can't. You just have to keep your eye open.
Yeah.
They're very warm, that's for sure, but they're heavy. They're heavy and they're thick, so it's definitely not a backpacking type sleeping bag.
Unless you work in the military, of course.
Yeah. If you're stronger than me, which isn't that hard.
Yeah.
All right. Here's your handy dandy sleeping bag for Mimi.
Yeah. Thank you, Mimi, if you're gonna watch this video.
Right. Hey, did you bring pillows?
Oh, no. My bad.
Uh-oh. Come on, tell everybody.
I forgot to bring my pillows.
Got to bring pillows. I brought my pillow. Well,
You always bring 2.
I brought one this time.
Oh.
But you can use it.
Thank you.
Because I'm just that type of guy.
Oh, this is a comfortable one, too.
Yeah. I brought a sleeping bag liner, fleece. I'll just keep it rolled up and use that as a pillow tonight, or fold it up somehow. So you've got plenty of layers. There's the foam, 2-inch memory foam, a couple of sleeping bags. We're gonna be plenty comfortable.
And metal.
And metal.
Okay, guys, so we have to finish up setting up camp, and we'll bring you guys back when it's time to winter finish.
What am I doing? I'm sorry, guys. I forgot to wear my actual
original OG Fat Matt hat. I got it though. Yeah.
Wow.
All right, I think Ethan's gonna go try to find some firewood. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Woo-hoo. Come on guys, let's go explore. I'm camping with my daddy, yeah, it's so fun. I love candy too, and I also brought some Takis, let's go. I love camping with my dad, it is so fun.
Want to learn how to set this grill up?
Oh, sure.
Come here. So take the Velcro off. We decided to use our own grill instead of the fire pit over there, just because we wanted to hang out on this side of the camp spot. So showing Ethan how to set up this little small fire pit that you can also cook on. That's okay. That sometimes has oil or grease on it. Okay, now the first thing you do is we want to cross these legs inside of each other. So like put this one inside of this one, like that. You do it. I'm gonna turn this way. And then turn it, yep, like that. And that's it. Yeah, we probably won't use this just because we're not going to be cooking on it.
Yeah.
So we'll just leave it open like that, and let's put that back in here. Here, you hold that. Okay. All right. And there's the grill for the fire later.
Wow.
Yeah. Hey, Ethan.
Huh.
Want to do the Fat Matt dance? Let's go.
Sure.
Ready? High five.
Hey guys, so we were in the middle of picking up some wood, and then all of a sudden the temperature just dropped. So we had to get some really warm clothes on.
Are you warm?
Yeah.
I'm better. I'm just doing this for a dramatic effect.
So my dad forgot the lighter, so we're gonna have to improvise and figure out a different way. So we are thinking about using this. We're gonna catch the thing on fire and then get a stick, light that on fire, then put it in there, and then voila.
I heard that hand sanitizer works for a fire starter. So I'm thinking we found a trashy napkin. I hate to touch this thing, but it is what it is. Let's wad this up, get the dust out of it. We'll throw some hand sanitizer on it. I don't have a lot left. Put that in there, and then start putting some small twigs on top. Bunch of small twigs, right, Ethan?
Yep.
And then put some more hand sanitizer on the top of the twigs. Don't have a ton left. And then maybe we can use this to start the fire.
Is it?
The cup.
I was thinking about using this from my fruit roll-up. We can use the wrapper to light this, because my fruit roll-up wrapper I used is plastic, so I could wrap it around the stick like this and light it on fire, and then it would be like a torch, so we could light the campfire.
Okay, let's see if that'll work.
Okay.
Okay. So we've got our gas one grill.
Yep.
Get that ready.
Okay, let me just finish frying it.
Oh, okay. Maybe even put a little bit of a hand sanitizer on that. Ready?
Yep.
Let's do it over this way. Okay. Let's light this. See if that will light. Okay. And then we'll see if that will light. Well, don't blow it out. Gotta make sure it lights.
It's lighted.
All right, that worked. Hand sanitizer for the win. We did not bring a lighter, so we had to improvise like Ethan said.
Yep.
And let me turn my light off now.
Torch.
Okay. Hopefully once that starts, you can start adding some more small sticks to it. You know, you gotta get, if you want your fire to burn really well, you know you gotta get some good airflow through there.
Good airflow through there.
You know? All right, now let's get some medium-sized sticks on top so they can start burning and drying and all that good stuff. Nice.
Man, this stick is invincible right now.
Invincible, huh?
Yeah.
Let me put another big one on. And this one.
These things are gonna collapse if there's any more.
Little tiny campfire. But man, it makes a difference.
Yeah.
And we're about to make dinner in just a few minutes after we warm up.
Yep.
The good old Stanley 2-cup set. This amazing stove that Miss Jill got me. Thank you, Jill. Still going strong. I've used it a million times. I love it. It's been in Colorado, Utah, New Mexico, all the way to Tennessee and back. And it just works. Except for that piece. So I'm gonna light it on the fire. Oop. And for dinner, chunky sirloin burgers with country vegetables, baby. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Hey Ethan, thanks for keeping the fire going.
These gloves are actually really strong for fire.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because the piece that fell off, I grabbed it and nothing happened.
Yeah, be careful about that.
I know.
Let's get some.
Okay guys, so we are gonna be feasting on this delicious food, and we will see you guys in the morning or in a few minutes. Okay, so guys, we just finished up our soup, and we're gonna let the fire burn down, and then we're gonna get ready for bed. Oh yeah. Alright, we're going to bed, y'all. We'll see you in the morning.
See you in the morning. Bedtime, y'all. See you in the morning. Good night. Good morning. How'd you sleep, buddy?
I slept good.
Me too.
It got pretty chilly last night.
Yep, it got down to 29. It's time to get up and at 'em. At least it's not windy.
Oh.
It's time for some hot coffee.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hands are cold. I hope you guys slept good too. Oh, and I found a lighter. So, did you have any dreams, Ethan?
Yeah.
What'd you dream about?
Digging to China.
Digging to China. Yeah, I had to put the propane in the truck with the heater on just to get it warm enough because it wasn't wanting to have much pressure. And now we've got pressure.
Oh yeah.
Lots of pressure! Butane pressure! Can you sit over that way? Yeah, 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 yeah! What kind of coffee are we having this morning, dude?
I don't know. I think it was warm coffee.
Yeah, that's all that matters. We're having Taster's Choice Hazelnut, one of my new favorites. Well, since last year. Pretty good stuff. Okay. Okay.
Well, since you're making me coffee, you gotta pay the chef.
Aw, thanks for the tip. Got a whole nickel. So Gavin, Ethan's little brother, he's not feeling very good for the past couple of days. So we've got him an appointment today. Take him to the little minute clinic, see what's going on with him.
Yeah.
So we are gonna just drink this coffee and then pack up and head home because his appointment's before noon today. It's a beautiful morning though.
Uh-huh.
It is a beautiful morning. Yeah, it's out of propane. I didn't bring another can. Let's see if the water got it. The water is kind of lukewarm. Hey Ethan, you ready for some lukewarm coffee?
So, you know how we caught fire or made a fire with that stove yesterday? Why don't we just put it on there?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that stove. You're so smart.
Yeah, I got a big brain.
Never mind, I'm too lazy to get the other stove out. It's lukewarm. We're just gonna have lukewarm coffee this morning. It's all good. Spilling it already, huh?
You know me, I always spill something.
See if it's warm enough.
Oh yeah.
Blech. All right, everybody. Come here, Ethan. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for joining us on this little camping trip. Short overnighter, but a lot of fun. We'll see you guys in the next adventure.
Bye.
Bye.
Ooh.